I hear shots coming on the low from hoes I'm hiding. This attention is so flattering cause they admiring. Don't know what's on their mind, but it should be retirement.
Hey loves, as you guys can see from the title below, this is going to be, I guess, an unboxing of one of my early Christmas gifts. Today is the 22nd, you guys, and I was literally getting ready to go to my sister's party. She's having a birthday party tonight, so we're about to turn up, and I was just like, I have to film this because Bae surprised me with the early Christmas present. If you guys go back and watch I'm sorry if I'm smiling so much, I never had a Louis bag this big. And it was not on my Christmas wish list. If you guys go back and see my Christmas wish list, it will be linked down below. I had on my Christmas wish list a Louis Vuitton crossbody. It was a really, really small bag. But because the other day I ended up purchasing me a crossbody. It wasn't a Louis, honey, but I ended up purchasing me one, y'all. So I'm gonna open my Christmas gift because I am about to, and I have a cold, so if I sneeze because I feel it coming. I hope y'all said bless me. I hope y'all did. If not, bless me. So you guys, y'all, oh, focus, please focus. Cause once I open this, ain't no refilming. I'm about to wear this purse right now when I leave this house and go to my sister's party. So this is how it looks. So this could be like Louis unboxing, but girl, this is not no unboxing, honey. This is my Christmas gift. I got one of them early. Yeah. So here is the bag. It's super big. Okay. So I'm just gonna take it, and I'm gonna keep my bag. Yes, I am, honey. Oh, you guys. Oh my God, you guys, look. And you know what's crazy is that I have been going to Louis looking at a couple of bags, and I would never purchase one for myself because I was like, I'm not gonna spend this much money on a bag. You guys know this channel, we ball on a budget, honey. We try to catch all the sales and all that good jazz. So I was like, what? Like, y'all know Louis is not cheap. And y'all know your girl, I'm not cheap. But look, I ain't finna go out here and buy no Louis bag, you know what I'm saying, for myself. So I was like, babe, what you spend on this bag? Because what's good? So I'm super excited. I have no idea which bag it is. Let's just hope they know what my taste is, okay? So I'm just gonna do it like this because I'm literally gonna put everything back in the box except my bag is about to be on my shoulder. So that's that. Oh my God, you guys. Like, I'm the type of person, you guys, that I like to give gifts. If y'all been following me for a while, I'm a person that loves to give gifts because I like to see, you know, the happiness on other people's face. You know, this is materialistic, but you guys, it's okay to splurge every now and then for your loved ones. So it's Christmas, so oh my God, you guys, we're gonna open it together. We're gonna try to open it together. I can't see it. I know it's in this bag. So that's how it looks. Let's take it out the bag. Ooh, bitch. It's a big bag. Let me just put this on the floor. It may hit the camera. Oh, this is a big one, bitch. Bitch, this is a big one. This is a big bag. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thanks, babe. I'm gonna say that before I even open this. I said thanks for like 30 minutes now. You know what? I'm gonna do it with you guys. Oh my God. It's pink and oh my God. Oh my God, you guys. This is so me. Oh my God. Oh my God. So, you know, let me show y'all the damn bag while I'm sitting up here talking about, oh my God. You guys, this is how it looks. It's huge. Can y'all see it? I can't even, well, there it is. This is pink. Oh my God. Oh, it's pink in the inside. Y'all see I love pink, blush pink, rose gold, like pink, pink. Oh my God, guys, look. Look at the inside. This is about to be my 2019 bag, 2020 bag, 2021, 2022, 23, 2000, all the way up to probably 2025. Do you hear what I'm saying? Oh, babe, you did good. Oh, you did good. Thank you. Oh my God. I'm about to clear out everything in my old bag. And the bag I'm rocking now, you guys, is like Michael Kors bag. And I was just about to change today before I left in my new bag. And I guess he was like, not today, bitch. You about to wear this Louis. I'm about to, hello? It's, you know what? Because I am a bigger girl. And even when I wear crossbodies, my crossbodies are like a good size. But bitch, like, I don't even think the camera is doing this justice. I love this cream color on the top right here. It just says Louis Vuitton Paris right there. I love that nice clean look. I love the detail about this bag, you guys. You guys know I love gold. Everything I have is gold and blingy. This is actually like I don't know, it's like the blingy Michael Kors watch. I've had this now I think for about 2 years and I'm still obsessed with it because it's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see, it has diamonds and all that in the inside. It was a little pricey. That's why I'm wearing till the damn wheels fall off, okay? But you guys, I said all that about the gold to say this. I'm just noticing the bag as I'm filming, you guys. And I love like the gold detailing on it here. I love how it's like little picks of like gold here. I love this. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. And one thing I just noticed, I love that it's not like a zipper on it. If you guys, oh my God, I'm fucking obsessed. This is how it looks in the inside, you guys. I love the gold detailing in the inside for the zipper. This is a really, really big bag. I like how it has like the Louis Vuitton little cream in the inside to match this. I love, if I say love one more fucking time, I love this print of Louis. I've never been a fan of like the white cream color ones because I would get it dirty extremely fast. But I love this brown color. Like this bag is huge. You guys can see it's so beautiful, you guys. Oh my God, this bag is gorgeous. And I like how it doesn't zip. It has like the little clamp where it just, as you guys can see, focus. Right here is not like a button. The button is like, it's like a magnet. And then when I turn it around, like so, you can see right here, it's like a magnet. You just close it like that and it closes up. And then I just noticed something else. And then on this side, it has the Louis right here. You guys can see that. So I'm definitely loving, and this is my first Christmas present, you guys. I can't believe, I can't believe they watched the video. You guys go back to that video. I asked for a crossbody Louis Vuitton, but bitch, this is even better. Like, oh my God. And I like how it has the thick band on it. Because I don't like the Louis with the really thin strap, because it usually breaks and it lasts a long time, but not as well as the ones with the thicker bands. So they really took time out to go and do this. And this bag is definitely a pricey bag. I don't even know what the name of this bag is. I will have it linked down below just in case any men are watching the channel and want to. It has like paper and stuff in here. It don't even say what it is in the inside, but bitch is Louis, okay? And I'm not like a label person or anything like that, but girl, oh, yes, I love this bag. I like the little detail right here on it. Just says, of course, Louis Vuitton right there. So now I'm gonna have to go and switch out my bag. This is going to be, like I said, my 2019 bag, my 2020 bag, my 2021 bag, 2022 bag, 2023 bag. It's gonna be my bag of the rest of my life. I'm obsessed with this. I love it. I love how it's pink in the inside. I've never seen the pink in the inside like this. I've seen like the baby pink one, and of course the red and other stuff like that. But this is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. So this is me opening one of my Christmas gifts. You guys definitely stay tuned for the kids opening up their Christmas gifts. Of course, you guys know that video is going up on the 25th. As soon as the kids wake up, I'm definitely going to film them and stuff like that, you guys. So I'm so excited. I'm so thankful. I'm so blessed. And you guys, don't forget that Christmas definitely begins with Christ. And it's okay to splurge on your family members, you guys. I don't want to tear up, but I'm super happy. I was happy before the bag. I'm super happy now that I was able to open one. And I was like, what? So you guys, I'm so happy with my new bag. I hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing one of my Christmas gifts. I don't know if you guys want to see a grown woman open her gifts. I know you guys do like to see the kids open their gifts. But you guys, it's so spacious in here, so I can put a lot of stuff in here, but I don't want to put too much where I weigh the bag down. I like that at the bottom it does have, like, you know, it's not going to fall in, you guys can see. So this is a gorgeous bag, you guys. Everywhere you see me, if you see me, know that this bag is going to be with me. This is my new bitch. Hey, how you doing? What's good? What's good? I love the gold detail on it. It just goes good with my vibe. You guys know most of my jewelry is gold. So like gold hoops, gold necklaces, gold bracelets, gold, everything is gold. So I really do love this detail on this, you guys. It's absolutely gorgeous. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have not seen, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. So yes, thank you so much, babe. I love it so much. If you guys do want to see the kids what they got for Christmas last year video, it will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for 4 million views on the 2016 what the kids got for Christmas, and thank you guys so much for over 1 million views on the 2017 what they got for Christmas video. It will be also linked down below. The kids' 2018 Christmas wish list will be down below, as well as my Christmas wish list 2018. Like I said, I did ask for a crossbody, but bitch, bypass that crossbody. Hello? So this video is over. I'm ready to switch out my bags. There's no need to keep prolonging this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, opening my early Christmas gift, one of my Christmas gifts, and I'm so happy, you guys. So remember, Christmas begins with Christ. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I don't even have my phone, but I don't even have my phone for my post notifications. You know what? Whoever was going to be the shout out for this video. Stay tuned for my next video because I will be doing my post notification. I don't have my phone with me, you guys, so I fucking lied. Yes, I do. Let me go ahead and do my post notification because y'all know I fucks with y'all. Like, let me do that right now. Right now. And if you want a shout out in any of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the subscribe button. Go ahead and click it. It's right there. It's free. Don't just be watching your girl. Go ahead and subscribe. So click subscribe. Click the notification bell and just put done in the comments. And that way you will be, it's a lot of y'all, but it's going to be a lot of videos. So you definitely going to get the shout out, okay? Today's post notification shout out goes to London Holton, and that's spelled H-O-E-T-O-N. So shout out to Holton. You are today's post notification shout out. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for clicking the notification bell, and just thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube channel. You guys know I love you guys so much. If you're not following me on Instagram and Snapchat, definitely follow your girl on Snapchat. Snapchat get furthest on everything, you guys. So I love you guys so much. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect.